What's going on YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be discussing the top 7 e-bikes of Amazon finds. Let's jump right into the video. Starting with a $300 price tag for the Paulsby Kids Balance Bike, as recommended for ages 6 through 12. It also has 3 speed settings and can hit up to 15 miles an hour. It also comes equipped with a 24-volt battery, which is also detachable, as well as off-road 16-inch tires. Next in line, we have the Belmont Venom Bike, starting with a price tag of $1,050 plus additional tax, which is also powered by a 48-volt battery and is also equipped with an advanced speed governor. And we can't forget about the hydraulic disc brakes. This would also be considered a mid-sized bike, also running off of 1600 kilowatts. My boy is also rocking with a Razor MX 650 with some handguards attached. Let's go. Here we have the Tuato bike, starting with a price tag of $1,300, also equipped with hydraulic brakes. This bike is also made for young adults and teens, starting at the age of 13. This e-bike here can reach a top speed of 37 miles per hour, running off a 48-volt battery. Based off the information given, this bike runs off of 2,000 watts. This bike is also equipped with a 14-inch in the front and 12-inch in the back fat tire. Here we have the GT73 pedal assist bike, starting with a price tag of $1,600 plus tax. This bike here hits a 37 miles per hour with a top range of 85 miles, and also comes with 2 removable 48-volt batteries. We also got some dual hydraulic brakes alongside with suspension. I'm not really a fan of pedal assist bikes, but this is pretty clean for a e-bike. Here we have a dupe Surron starting at $4,000. It's basically a copy of the Surron, not too much to say, let's move on. Here we have the Stage 2 M1 E-Moto, starting with a price tag of $4,500. This bike can hit up to 47 miles per hour with a 3-speed high put-out controller. You can also get up to a 40 mile plus range, running off of a 60-volt battery, and equipped with a 6,000 watt brushless motor. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of wish I knew about this bike before copping my Surron, because my Surron was exactly the same price. The way bro whips his bike just makes me so jealous. The way he just does it so effortlessly. Look at that. If I tried that, I know I'm eating dirt. Last but not least, but here we have the Mototech Venom bike, starting with a price tag of $6,000. I know the bike that I showed previously is not the same bike in the video. Bear with me, I couldn't find any content associated with the Venom bike. If you want a real look at the bike, just look at some reels on YouTube. And of course, I'll drop the link for every bike that was mentioned. Now let's get into the video. This bike can reach a top speed of 77 miles per hour and can go from 0 to 62 in under 5 seconds. This bike is also equipped with a 4-speed manual clutch, foot shift, and reverse gear. We also have front and rear hydraulic disc brakes. Man, this bike is sick. Don't get me wrong, I still love my Surron, but this bike may just top it off. Like, this is insane. We also have a 21-inch tire in the front and an 18-inch in the back. The age range on the bike is also 16 and up. Keep those gold iridescent forks. I also want to take time to appreciate you guys for getting my previous video to 4,000 views. That means a lot to me, so I'm going to keep dropping some more content. Comment down below what was your favorite bike that I reviewed today. I also plan on doing a giveaway when we hit 1,000, so you might want to stay tuned for that.